I'm going to Dublin. I bid for a 5-day streak off in August so that way I could try and pick up some international because I haven't been getting any on reserve, even though it's typically common to get that on reserve in the summer. So I wanted to try my hand, and I was able to pick up a Dublin yesterday from the trade board. So I'm going today. The flight there I think is 6-ish hours and the one back is 7. I might have to add an hour to both of those, but I don't remember off the top of my head. I'm in a great position. I'm number 9, which basically has like no high responsibility in terms of like galley work, leadership, anything like that, which is great for my first international to just like learn how it goes, what the rhythm is, and all that stuff. So it's a so senior trip, so like it's really rare to like you have to pick them up on reserve. Like if you're gonna get them, like everybody on this trip has at least 40 years. Like hopefully they're really cool. I'm really excited. I don't really have any plans yet. I think I want to walk around Trinity College and go into the National Museum, the art museum, because that's free to go in. So, but other than that, no plans. So I'm really excited and I'll keep you updated. Hi, we're in Trinity College in Dublin. This is Julia. She's on my crew. We're besties now.
Hi, grandparents.
So we're on Trinity. Wait, let's turn.
Let's turn, show them the view.
Whoa. So we're just walking around, seeing what's around here. But yeah, our first stop.
In and around the region, €3 billion communication on the island. And the idea is as time goes on that curve, that like line.
Actually, you did. I would say you did it. I definitely did it. But yours is really good for being on the show. Yeah, that's a really good split. You can tell. I'm not a beer person. But hey! Okay, after a very exciting and entertaining day, we went back to the hotel and I passed away. Like I actually went to bed because not only do I have the time change I'm battling, I'm also sick. I don't know if you can hear it, but I have like a head cold, and I had it like the day before we started here, or before I left for the trip, so on Monday basically. So my body is battling that as well. So I was out until like 8:45ish, and then I was trying to figure out where I could go eat, like a pub or something, but I don't know the area, and my friend Julia, she's asleep, so because she probably ate early and then went to bed because we have early wake up tomorrow. I don't believe her at all, so I'm like, okay, well, if I'm by myself, I don't know if I want to go into a pub by myself, and it is already 9:30, so I think I'm gonna save that adventure for another time. But I am walking. It's actually like so light out for being 9:30, which is making me reconsider, but I'm gonna be smart and be safe. So now I'm in my hoodie and my jeans off to McDonald's because it's the only other like fast food thing that's kind of open. All the like restaurants are closed because they close at what time? 9. So oops. Oh well. Future trip, I'll go and eat fish and chips at a pub or something like that. I did a pub earlier today, so it's okay. But yeah, so now I'm walking and I'm gonna get some McDonald's. We're about to board, so this is the legal video. Nobody's on the plane. I had a great time. I can't wait to come back.